I'm Chef Matt Hardner. Everybody knows the Scottish are famous for their whiskey, and not so much for their cuisine. Today, I'm going to make sure they're known for both. The first thing I have for you today is going to be a Scotch broth with a medium rare duck breast, and traditional Scotch broth is going to be with lamb or beef. I'm going to do this with a slow roasted duck leg. Macallan Double Cask 12-year-old is a really rich, robust Scotch, which will pair perfectly with what's going on here due to the fact that it's got two different oaks and paired nicely with the duck, with the rich fat flavours of the duck. The casks being seasoned with sherry, and I think it's going to do beautifully with this dish. Let's go onions, carrots, celery, delicious. What we're going to do also is add in these sweet pearl onions. The red pearl onions have a slightly higher sugar content. This is going to pair up nicely with the American side of this Macallan Double Cask, the American oak side I should say. So now it's time for a wee dram of our Macallan Double Cask 12-year-old whiskey to really bring the whole thing together. It's going to deglaze and just get some of the caramelization off the bottom of this pot. And that's all you really need. And there we have it, the beginnings of a Scotch broth. We're going to bring it to the plate, and we're going to dig out some of our gorgeous slow roasted duck leg Scotch broth. After all the hard work in the kitchen, enjoying the fruits of your labour with an absolutely delicious whiskey. Really good. Cheers.